Very good morning to one and all, and I welcome you all for the second day of advanced training program organized by Praisal Foundation, Pharmaceutical Royal International Society. I, Netravati P., research scholar and student life member of Praisal Foundation, welcome you all for this today's session. Firstly, it's my honor to welcome our today's person, Dr. N. Ganesh, who is a senior consultant oncogenetics and head and senior scientist, Department of Research, Jawaharlal Nehru Hospital and Research Center, Bhopal. We welcome you, sir, for being here with us to continue this session.
Welcome, Dr. Ganesh.
To talk about tumor model innovation for targeted drug delivery. And now I take up a call for Professor Preeti Tagde to brief about our today's resource person. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Dr. N. Ganesh, consultant oncogenetics, senior scientist, Jawaharlal Nehru Cancer Hospital, Bhopal. It's my honor and privilege to brief his biography and invite him at Frizzle Advanced Training Program. He is awarded doctorate in anatomy from Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal in 2002. He discovered active constituent against skin melanoma from water hyacinth. He is the first in the world who developed in vivo orthotopic colon tumor model in mice for targeted anti-cancer drug delivery. He got the patent for his work on radiation protector, which is extracted from Alpinia. He has completed 19 clinical and preclinical trials. This project was funded by ICMR, DBT, DST, MPCST, and MPBST, Cadila, etc. He has published more than 107 national and international papers in a reputed journal. He has guided 19 PhD and he has received various eminent awards in the field of research. He authored an international book, Dermofollicular Proliferation, and he is the member of various editorial board of various reputed journal, and he is the member of various international and national society. Really, sir, welcome. It's really on. Recording option आ रहा है इसमें? Very good morning to one and all. Due to the technical problem from Dr. Ganesh side, Maybe he will deliver his talk in the second half. So meanwhile, without wasting time, I can take the lead. And today, today I'm going to take a presentation on impact of coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic on education system. Myself, Preeti Tagde, Chairperson, President, Brazil Foundation. We can look at the current situation with two perspectives. As we already know, the COVID-19 is a pandemic one. There are two ways, there are two perspectives. One is the optimistic, another one is the pessimistic. In every facts of our life, every decision has two facts we have to face. So, without any hesitation, we have to choose which one is for us. So, not all of us will endorse pessimistic results, and the majority will be looking at the situation with optimistic and get through it as soon as possible. It's in our hand, it's due to our technical work. So, the come to the situation first. Pessimistic means when we don't have resources, when we don't have any power, we don't have the ability to work to come up with any condition, so there will be a chance of pessimistic. Means somebody has raised hand. It means job loss due to COVID-19 in India and affect the business as well. There are micro, small, medium business will struggle and they will suffer due to the capital and demand. Hence, in turns, they have to reduce their manpower to stay afloat in a turbulent to combat from this economic burden. This will take a toll on the stock market as well as in country. Could we go into the one of the biggest recession ever that could take 3 to 5 years to recover to the normal. Now comes to the second situation, optimistic. Like we farmer people, we never sit at a home. As our work is to learn, relearn, and upgrade ourselves. So this condition is for us. We are always ready to grab the opportunities. So this COVID-19 pandemic is not stop us anymore. So this condition is very opportunistic and optimistic for us. Stability and prosperity after coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. Every cloud has a silver lining. Amidst this tragic situation, there is something to be hopeful. Yes, it is. According to the latest update of United Nations and International Monetary Fund, the world is going to be a witness an extreme recession with the exception of India and China. But it depends. India will also suffer. It's up to us how we will manage. Like in a pharma world, we are the leading. Now we are the leading. Now people believe that the impact of COVID-19 on India won't be like other countries such as Italy, France, Spain, US, and the situation will be quite similar as they were before lockdown once in India emerges out of coronavirus. For many, this lockdown period is like a vacation and family time. Obviously, it's up to you. It's up to us how we can utilize. So it's like vacation and family time and get some positivity to go back to the normal life. And you can continue with this learning practices and your upgradation with any of the Brazil platform. We have started from 1 month back. We have started workshops, training programs. So why the motto is what? To upgrade ourselves, to upgrade our knowledge. So everyone is new with this intellectual platforms. So this is one of the best possibilities we can learn something. So small and medium business are not going to suffer due to the financial aid provided by the government. Hence, the possibility of business closure post-COVID-19 in India is very unlikely, because Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has told the 20 lakh crores for the um, small and large business setups. So it's a golden opportunity for us to start with entrepreneur, with develop the skills, and then you can apply for the MSME business. So education system will run satisfactory. As per my as per my opinion, education system really works satisfactory with the digital world. Hence, they should maintain calmness, not think about firing even a single employee. This is for the management peoples. So you can you can manage with your team. You can uh, give some chances to and explore this digital platform. So we cannot face any economic burden. Through this, people don't have to feel jobless and struggle for the survival. Will the coronavirus make online education go viral? Yes, definitely. There are so many courses which are going to be available online. MOOCs already, Government of India, Swayam, the AICT has launched 1 year before the MOOCs, massive open online courses. This is this, but from my point of view, as we are now connected with the Zoom, WebEx, many other technology softwares, so MOOCs, as per my view, it's only a single way from where you can only get the knowledge, but you cannot dual. There will be a one-way communication, not a dual way. So due to outbreaks, in-person teaching is replaced with the online alternative ways. Means now we are enriched with the technology learning. This is how the learning, relearning, and upgrading ourselves. The technology has changed the world of teaching and learning. So how we use make us the difference from others. Since every there is a fighting and there is a competition in branding our brand, our institute, our university. So this is one of the major challenge for the students, for the teachers, for the researchers, for the scientists. So effect of technology on learning and teaching. So what the experience teaches us, it's like we have to be with the technology. Now why use technology? Before COVID-19, after COVID-19, and during COVID-19 pandemic, the same feature you have to adopt. Like so many students are in this platform today. So my message is that wherever you pursue your career in future, you should follow this parameter. Whenever you can talk, whenever you can give your interview, you must be interactive. The session, your talk, everything, whatever you are communicating to the others, it should be interactive. The content delivery and the revision, definitely. Today I'm here in front of you without any revision. I have one presentation because yesterday my laptop has formatted. So meanwhile, in mail I found my presentation, so I started. So there will be proper thorough content delivery, and the revision must be there to manage and to handle the situation, because upgrading ourselves, our knowledge is the need of our time. Managing learning and resources, it's good time. Every day you can at least spare 1 hour for your education. And the collaboration, once we can involve the collaboration, we can have open market for us. So the communication, you can upgrade yourself, you can enrich with the communication skills. Sense of coherent, sense of coherent means instantly, if I ask any question, you can instantly raise the hand. There will be a sense of coherent means you can easily get something. You are not like, we can think, we are just taking some time. It's not something like you are just giving any of the answers very frequently. So there are variety of teaching and learning preferences. It's up to us which we have to choose. The formative and summative assignments, once the faculty and the research scholar go through the teaching learning process, so we have to adopt the our process of submitted the assignment. Like yesterday we have used with the Kahoot platform. So that will be, you will get instant results. So through that, it will be very interesting one. Now, how does this help to us? Allow students, researchers to more control over their own learning. Means you have give a free hands to them. Allow teachers, lecturers to guide more and teach less. Obviously, what I used to with my students, I just give freedom. Like I always, in every step, I guide them, not teach them. So this will help us a lot, allow students to build up the knowledge and become part of more teaching learning process, can provide some really engaging learning experience. Like in the advanced training program, we started a daily quiz test series. So what we did, we can engage our participants in the series so that even instantly they will get the certificate and their result. So by meanwhile, the motto is that by that, yesterday I saw many has received 100%, 80%, 90%. But if our learning is result oriented, definitely we are more attentive in the class. So every time our our, our assignment for the students, for the researchers, to engage them in a learning practices, some quiz type activities, some learning platforms. So teacher can provide a scaffolding and safety nets for the students and the researchers. Obviously, at risk, students can be identified more quickly. Yesterday, the same thing has happened with us. There are so many students, they are very much enthusiastic. Like I supposed to participate in the test series. Once I stopped that, they approached me and they said, "Ma'am, please give me an opportunity. I can solve it within 10 minutes." So this what we expect from the students and from the learners. The collaborating can be very supported in every stages. Now comes to the integrating internet-based technology into learning and teaching practices. The condition we are facing, we all are in lockdown, so we have to utilize, anyhow we have to utilize this platform. And I really admire the virtual learning platform, because wherever so am I, but this platform I can connect to every country, I can connect within a month. So this is the platform where we can connect to 1,000 persons in a single platform. So reason for using technology in education, we need to provide opportunities for more learner-centered instructions. So what we are doing, so permit instructions to the contextualize. So whatever the content you are going to deliver, it should be a concise and interesting one. Allow students, researchers, and learners to explore, make mistakes, and learn from their own mistakes and errors. Definitely, nobody is perfect over here. Everybody is here to learn something. So if we can do some mistakes, then only we can learn something from our mistakes. So no need to be hesitate, like I'm going to give this test series, I will be getting negative marks. So what, you learn something from this platform, that's matter a lot. So meanwhile, that leads to more active and interactive mode of instruction. The results naturally in a greater collaboration, cooperation, and a small work in a group, in a team way. Best practices in higher education. Everyone should adopt in their life these practices. Good practices encourage contact between students, faculties. Good practices develop reciprocity and cooperation among students. If I guide somebody, definitely, uh, you know that every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. If I support anyone, they definitely reverse. So everyone should be adopt this practice, reciprocity and the cooperation among their team and the students. Good practices use active learning techniques, and it's definitely give prompt feedback. Now, this is the condition every institute, university is facing. They are just spare a lot of money for their branding and publicizing for news coverage. So once you are very positive, you are giving proper hands, you are giving freedom to your team, your students, you are cooperate with them, you can guide with them. Definitely, you will get the feedback by not by newspaper, by mouth publicity. And this is one of the best publicity, and this is one of the best feedback. What technology teaching? Okay, uh, for some time, and for some it might be mean using PowerPoint presentation, student classroom response system in lectures, or other may think of podcasting lectures, and still other may think of specific disciplinary applications such as designing web-based interactive learning modules and simulation to teach skills and concepts. So what is podcasting? Podcasting is what? Earlier, I'm not used to with Zoom platform and WebEx. So that time, I prefer podcasting. Podcasting is the way where we can do a live session via audio, radio, and this platform we can utilize for our awareness program. So now with the technology, now with this COVID-19 pandemic, I used to with Zoom app, I used to with WebEx, I used to with GoToMeet app. So now we change our scenario from podcasting to the web-based interactive learning modules. What technology influences? Technology infuses virtually now classroom with digital learning tools such as computers and handheld devices, expanded course offering experience learning material. Now really, after this COVID-19, every college will adopt this virtual learning platforms, e-learning platforms, and various e-learning courses as well. Even in foreign countries, they started from 1 year ago, they started this e-learning platforms and these modules. And even we have launched our STAR mission under Prison Society. The STAR mission is the study for technology advancement and learning, which we have recognized by the US authority. So what will be the content over there? If people will log in via STAR mission, they directly log in with 100 modules over there. And by daily they have 2 modules practices. After completion, their as per their interest, they will get certified course certification. Now comes to the blended learning. What is blended learning? Its opportunity incorporates both the face-to-face and online learning opportunity. As I already told, many people and many government already used to with the MOOCs. MOOCs, the massive open online platform, but that is not face-to-face and that is not like interactive. But in the Zoom and the other web learning platform, we are connected here with the thousand and students, researchers, and the team, and that will be interactive one. So the degree to which online learning take place and the way it is integrated into our curriculum can be vary across the colleges, universities, and the schools. This I mentioned some blended learning. The earlier live streaming we are doing with face-to-face classroom, physical classroom, field trips, labs. We can engage our researchers and our team with like lab setup and lab trainings and field trips and live online. Now the classroom now comes to the live online. There will be we have lots of opportunities, virtual classroom, webinar, and the meetings we have. Now moving toward the coachings, we have mentoring, we have started our coachings. So moving towards us from synchronized to the asynchronized one, on demand, what we are facing, There are a lot of people wants virtual web-based learning. So that will be very easier platform for us. Now technology influences teaching. Using technology to enhance teaching and learning practices in the classroom and becoming commonplace. The student consistently interact with the technologies such as iPad, mobile phone, the internet, and social networking tools outside the classroom, and have the expectation that these technologies will support their learning systems. Four key areas in technology. Earlier we saw that there will be a phone and iPhones are not permitted in the schools. Now the students are very used to, even our age persons, we are not with very practical hands on this web learning technologies, but the students of 5 years, 6 years, they are used to with these platforms. So the four key areas in technology: increase learner motivation. When I started delivering my lecture, so whatever in the aspect you can be add some content which motivates our learner. Advanced topic mastered. You can add advanced topics. Since I just use the instant PPT on my mail because there will be a technical problem. So maybe in the next lecture I can come with some expert and advanced technology in my lecture. So as an expert, obviously this we have to give to others. So treat them, they are the expert, then only they can concentrate on your lecture. So better outcomes on standardized results will get. The important one, are we ready to take this COVID-19 outbreak lockdown condition to explore yourself with technology? Yes, I will be ready. I am ready. So I started using this platform. Let me brief: the GoToMeeting, Ring Central Video, Paxip, TeamViewer, X, EZ Talk Meeting, Cisco WebEx, Apache Open Meeting Platform, Zoom, Skype, and Google Hangouts. The commonest thing is that in Zoom you will get all the you will get whiteboard, you will get every teaching platforms over there, chalkboard, whiteboard, everything will be available in Zoom app. In a TeamViewer you can connect the systems with other systems, so this is one of the best option you will have. In the GoToMeeting you can connect 250 people in a free version. So if you want to use this platform for your meeting, your assignments, your learning practices, so you can utilize this platform for your um, skills. Now comes to the need of time management. As we see the COVID-19 pandemic condition, everyone is in home and they have lot of works beside the office work. They have their home responsibilities. So in this situation, how we can manage our time, that will be a major task. Somebody has WhatsApp me the photograph of Amir Khan, the video. He is thinking which webinar I supposed to attend. Exactly the same condition is happened with all the participants, and even for with me also. So it's like we have to manage our time in between. So the time management is needed by everyone and is important for reasons such as it is helpful in setting our goals. It helps to take rapid action when opportunities and crises arise. So I already told this condition is optimistic and pessimistic both for us. It up to us, हम किसे अपने हाथ में ले. भाई मैंने तो ले लिया, मैंने ऑप्टिमिस्टिक ले लिया और मैंने 2 महीने से अपने आप को अपग्रेड करना शुरू कर दिया कि भाई आगे चल के जॉब भी जाए तो आई विल बी सिक्योर बाय माई सेल्फ. तो हमें इस प्लेटफॉर्म को यूटिलाइज करना है, हमें अपने आप को रेडी रखना है आगे के लिए. तो लेकिन टाइम मैनेजमेंट के साथ, अगर मैं टाइम मैनेज करूंगी, मैं अपना गोल सेट करूंगी, देन ओनली आई कैन अचीव माय मिशन एंड विजन. सो इट्स हेल्प यू टू गिव अ डिफाइंड एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड स्ट्रक्चर to your day and weeks. It help you to save the time. If you manage your time, definitely you will somehow manage your time. Meanwhile, it helps you to perform and fulfill all your important activities beside your official work. It helps to plan all your tasks effectively. So it continue with the time management perspective. It helps to optimize your use of time to achieve your personal and professional life and goal. Obviously, in these conditions, there will be not a balance the professional and the personal life. I talked to the many researchers and many professional persons. They said we are more busy in this lockdown conditions where हमें रात के 2 बज रहा है, हमें टास्क करते करते हमें पहले अपने शेड्यूल बनाना है, देन उसको लेक्चर को अपलोड करना है, बहुत सारी नई टास्क हमें मिला है. तो हम लोग ऑफिस जब जाते थे तब हमारा टाइम फिक्स था 9 to 4, 10 to 5. बट वंस वी आर इन लॉकडाउन, हमारा टाइम बिल्कुल कोई मैनेज ही नहीं है. हम पूरा टाइम लगे हुए हैं फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू लेट नाइट. So this is how we have to manage our personal and the professional life with our goal. So it helps you to perform tasks with a planned and thoughtful action. Definitely, it helps you to work smart and not work hard. Again, I repeat this line. Please note, you have to work smarter, not rather than work hard. It helps in determining priorities. You have to set your priorities. It gives you a sense of purpose and the direction, and definitely it become proactive. I think I'm not boring you. So the comes to the benefit of time management. See, there are many benefits of time management. Increase confidence of fulfilling tasks. Here I manage the time. Dr. Ganesh is not available. So meanwhile, I shared my presentation. So anytime you will be prone, you will be ready to face any circumstances. So if you are prepared, you will manage your time with that period. You will be very quiet and confidently. Achievement of goals quickly and easily. Increase efficiency in fulfilling your task. Achievement of greater success, dream, and vision. Increased energy and competency to achieve success, which really required. Elements of time management. What are the elements we are using to manage our time? So there are various elements that have to consider and manage for effective time management. And it is really important that for you to manage your time, as well as you should learn, be aware of, and use of these elements diligently. The following I mentioned here: being aware of your time, that is very precious. If time goes, nothing will come back. Being aware of your time wasters. Obviously, you should note down that who is your time waster. Priorities, self-management, management of your personal resources, goal setting, measures of your achievements, and planning, which is very much required. This I mentioned here in the slide: mission, vision, strategy, plan, team, execution. Obviously, for any successful work, whether it is research work, whether it is product development, whether we go for the clinical trial, any experimental, any development work, any groom up work, you need to set your vision, your strategy, your plan, and be maintain the team. If you build the team, definitely you will execute in every stages, and last you will evaluate your performance. Here I mentioned the preventable chaos for the vision. So for that, we already see Dr. Dr. B. Suresh has also addressed regarding in her first presentation, and really I learned a lot from his presentation, his orator skills, that you should be for vision setting, you should be very much knowledge. For any vision, you will be focused on your knowledge, your concise content, your theme, and how you inspire by your vision. You're ambitious. You should be very much clear. You must be very much in your vision. There will be a clarity so that people will join you. Inclusive and transparency in any business, any entrepreneurship, anything, any research projects, any work. You should be very much transparent. Otherwise, we will suffer and our team will suffer. The next preventable chaos strategy. The next step after you set your goals for yourself is to develop and plan out a schedule. Initially, planning may seem a hard task. However, with practice, it would become easier and more natural. There are few considerations which I wrote here that you need to keep in mind while developing a schedule. Hence, while making a schedule, ask yourself this question. Again, I mentioned this. You can, whenever you can make your schedule, ask this question yourself. I can dictate. What is the goal do I expect to accomplish? What approaches do I need to adopt to reach my goal? What tasks are more important than others? What much time will each task require? How much time require for your goals? And what time of the day is best fitted to do each activity? And what provision do I need to keep my schedule flexible to allow for unexpected things? Now I can breathe. I have to make a strategy and I set my vision and mission. But how can be successful? So for that success and for we need to make the strategy. We need to write everything. उस गोल तक रीच करने के लिए किस स्टेप्स को फॉलो करना है, क्या प्रायोरिटीज हमारी रहेगी, हम क्या टाइम उसमें देंगे कि भाई मुझे ये ट्रायल करना है, मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करना है, तो मैंने एक टाइम सेट किया है। क्योंकि हम अगर हमने प्रोडक्ट डेवलप किया, हम क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स की तरफ भी गए, तो हम डायरेक्टली कूद नहीं पड़ेंगे उस पर। वी हैव टू गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, like we have to pass the preclinical phase, then in a clinical phase, clinical 1, clinical 2, clinical 3. For the market, it's clinical 4 phase. So we need to go through step to step procedure and need to set the time and the with the time what will be the audience we have to mention. Now execute. I made the plan, I made the strategy up. The thing is that how I execute. So you need for execution, you need to fix the responsibilities. As I already told the team. So for that, you have to give the responsibilities. Know your SOPs. Everyone is aware here. The SOP is the standard operating procedures. So you need to give the responsibilities. You need to set your SOPs, train and retrain. So this platform is very important. You need the training and retrainings. Discipline. If I break the rule, if I break the discipline, I will not achieve my success and my goal. The collect data and the map effectivity. So what India COVID containment plan execution I'm going to share. Surveillance at the country point of entry. What we are going to do, we are just going with the surveillance worldwide. So what we have to adopt, we will get very easy way. So community surveillance of all passengers through the integrated disease surveillance program by Government of India. Laboratory trusting, we have strengthened our hospital bed availability. We have ramping up production, procurement of medical supplies, public communication and the engagements we have planned, ensuring safety of Indians abroad, world biggest lockdown and international partnership. Now, next preventable chaos is tea. People are our greatest asset. Again, I'm repeating. The team is our greatest assets for us. And if we can lose our team, we cannot fulfill our company uniqueness, our mission, and we cannot enrich any of our goal. So we need to follow the ethics. We believe that conducting ourselves with the highest degree of ethics and integrity is foremost is driving successfully boundaries. So mutuality is very much needed. What we are many of my colleagues has called me that we are not getting, we are very much afraid that we are not getting the salary, the real deduction. So this is very much required mutuality. At least your team is the asset for you, and this is the condition, pandemic condition, and this is the, you have to cooperate with your team, you have to support them, you have been provide them open communication platform and recognize their creativity and encouraging powers. See, every teacher, every researcher, every director, principals are really, they are doing wonderful job for their institutes, their universities, and even in schools. So it's the foremost priorities and responsibility of the management. They take care of their team, because once they're gone, it's very difficult to develop and train them again. I think I'm not boring you. Very much important. Please note this one. There are type of interruptions. When we are setting our mission and vision and goal, so we need to know the interruptions, watch interruptions which we are facing in between, and how we have to avoid that. So I mentioned some over socializing on job, unnecessary meetings, setting unattainable goals. Really, in this lockdown period, people are doing unnecessarily the things which are going on without any mission and any goal. There are interruptions on social media, uh, like telephone interruption is one of the major aspect. Ineffective prioritization, junk mails, poor running meetings, like today we are facing, and I'm really apologize for that. Misfilled information, please be aware of that. Whenever you can deliberate your lecture, don't put any misleading data in your presentation. Drop in visitors. Okay. There are so many marketing purposes also there. For that, I mentioned this point, drop in visitors. They have facing the problem of overload. They have to go to meet their doctors, their team, and their uh, business persons. So drop in visitors, you can cluttered workspace in between. And procrastination means waiting and delays, and ineffective delegation we have to avoid. Now, inevitable disruption, culture of challenges. See the picture one: pandemic, economic slowdown, loss of jobs, lifestyle applications, work style as well, family distress, pre-existing morbidities, and educational poisoning. This is the picture, very much close to my heart. The multitasking, really, all are now in this condition is like multitasking. So we need to avoid this condition to get better result. People generally believe that when you multitask and do several tasks at once, you actually save your time and get more done in the same time. However, this is just your myth. And in reality, when you multitask, you tend to spend your energy and concentration and focus on several things at once. So, for example, you may be talking on a phone with your friend while at the same time asking a query on a chat window to your colleagues, and may also try to read the emails that just came in between. Hence, when you try do so many things together, you tend to put in less than your 100% in each task, so will produce result of your low quality. So I really request all to please do not follow the multitasking skills in your ways. Always remember that real time is mental. This is the time is your mental. You will be very much calm and have some patience. It is created by your mind and your brain. So anything that you have created yourself, you can manage yourself. So the best way to manage your time is being with positivity, positive about yourself, believing that you are capable of better managing your time, your activity, your research, and your projects. These are some tips I wrote there. Keep to-do list, plan in an organized way, priorities you have to set, and estimate time for the task. Set your clear objective and deadlines. Get clear instruction and to be focused. You need to avoid the interruptions in between and allow keep additional time. So I mentioned this pick India. I make this image lockdown COVID-19, and I also indicate the cross symbol over here. So what it means? Yes, we as a professional researcher, learner, academician, industrialist, definitely we are in lockdown during this COVID-19, but we are not exactly in lockdown. By every mean, we are giving our 100%. We are running ourselves, we are running our business, we are running our institute, we are giving best as per as our strength. So the pandemic has pushed us into maintaining social distance, but the challenge is also to remain hyper-connected via the internet and isolate COVID-19. It is very challenging, but also an amazing opportunity to relearn and test our capabilities and value systems with virtual advances and well-focused learning. Hence, it is the foremost, utmost importance that we all come together and rise to the occasion of fight the deadly COVID-19 and come out together as the strongest personality. India has always proved its mettle in difficult times like this, and the world is looking at the solution. And now India is the world of pharmacy. Therefore, we are very much important for global market and for entrepreneur business. So therefore, as a nation, we should believe and determine to rise above. We should make a collaborative efforts to maintain stability and prosperity. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. I hope I have give my deliberation in a positive way. Any question? Hello. Hello. Is there any question? Netra, can you connect?
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is audible in between the session.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's clear. Thank you for engaging us, giving an informative session.
Actually,
Yeah,
Dr. Ganesh
audible.
is on.
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
I think like it was wonderful talk. I'm sorry for mismanagement, poor planning, but I appreciate Priti's hard work. Can you hear me, Priti?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I think it's like no doubt. Lockdowns 2 months. Education system has been we traveled to some deterioration period. But I'm hats off to the institute, those who are connected to this media like Google Meet or Zoom app. It's very necessary that 2 months doing nothing in the home, the guys get killed as such, like their mental status will be lost because I'm surrounding with the neighbors who are hostlers, they are not went home, they're just paying guest guys. And to be very honest, like one day they cried, sir, we are spoiling our life, 1 month no teaching. So I suggested, why don't you connect to some institute where you can communicate your thoughts, and they communicate to their institute, and the teacher initiated, and now they are in peace. Like so, this communication skill is very important during the long term period, and I feel teachers like you are tremendously doing well. And Priti, it is hats off to you for a wonderful talk. Netra, I'm sorry. So many times I disconnected to people, and I'm ready with my presentation now. Thank you. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when I should start, let me know. I can start my talk.
Sir, you can start your presentation, sir.
Okay. Here I go. I was waiting. Yes. Can you see my PPT?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. Let I zoom.
Yes, sir. Like slide share.
This slide sharing is going on. I made a full screen. Can my screen is presentable?
Um, sir.
Hello. Huh.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Okay.
You can start, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon to everyone, my dear friends, the professors, the lecturers, the scholars, and the students, and especially the lady behind the show is Dr. Preeti. And Nitra, I'm thankful to your voice. This is what I'm going to talk about, the innovation model. So many people know about who are connected to me since 15 years. And you can see the PPT front page. There is a curcumin nano particle, which is entrapped. And towards both the sides, there is tumor models of colon. And being in cancer research since 25 years, this model is my own babies. Like I feel love to do innovation in tumors. And I'm thankful to Dr. Kamalinder Singh, who is in London right now. She was a professor head and director of this Women's University, SNDT University, Mumbai. And thankful to Dr. Vyas, who really motivated me to do this work. They got a project in DBT, targeted prostate and colon. They have nano suspension particle, and ultimately it failed. 3 years project over. In vitro method has been planned, successfully done, but DBT finally said warning to them. We want a tumor volume, a colon in vivo model, and they failed. I was presenting a paper in 2007 in Sagar University, Dr. Vyas conducted, and it was great luck to interact with the speakers, and she came to talk to me after my talk. Hey, Ganesh, why don't you try? I said that I work in melanoma, not in colon. Why don't you target it? The project will give you 12 lakhs. Budding scientist 2007. Don't know ABCD of pharmacy, but I feel to interact with this great lady. I said, okay, fine. In principle, I said fine, but I was not knowing how difficult task for to develop a colon tumor for a targeted therapy delivery. Anil, I came home. My scientists, Dr. Tahir, Dr. Sandil Kumar, I hope they are listening, and Dr. Adil also. They really work hard to design this model. And Dr. Poonam Sharma, Dr. Humali, Dr. Megha Jha. They are my PhD scholar there then, and now placed in some other institute doing good tumor work. And when I tried 250 animals, Priti, Netra, and other colleagues of this forum, you won't believe. Am I audible or not? Hello?
You are audible, sir.
Yeah.
You are audible and clear, sir.
Yeah. The thing is, like when I came and developed 50 animal tumor colon, I was very sure that 50 में से 25 में तो आएगा. Tumor volume बढ़ता गया. I took the weight. It's a rule. Every fifth day, you have after the inoculation of your tumor, implantation of the tumor, you have to weigh the animal whether it is increasing or deteriorating. And every animal has shown the increment of the weight. I was very happy. It was night 12 o'clock, and we started dissection. And till 2 o'clock, we are literally drastically failed. My loss of animals, 50 animals, I'm very strict about this, and I consider them as my baby. And secondly, the loss of energy and the insult in front of your scholars that you are failure teachers, because the tumor is not one animal, it's 50 animals. And these 50 animals, I remember we are cooking chicken plow in the lab, and I refused, I will not take it because I was very distressed. And it was 6 months over when I took the challenge, and after a week, I have to submit this report to Dr. Kamalinder Singh so that we can dispense 12 lakhs to my lab and we can start the show. She called me once and मैंने मैडम 7 दिन और हो जाएगा. I was sitting in my room 3:30 night, and I took my anatomy book, and the knowledge what Preeti had said, it's very important to communicate. And I took the book and I was going through that anatomical feature of colon. It was, it's very difficult. And slowly I learned that some tumors are very vulnerable for this organ. I'm a master for melanoma tumor, and morning I took the book of melanoma. I said that this in human being, it metastasized to colon, intestinal, lower intestine very easily. I went to anesthesiologist, OT, and surgeon. I met them. I said I want a ketamine dose for 25 mice. They laughed on me. What Ganesh is very difficult. But I'm thankful to Dr. Lata Bhattacharya and Rashmi Arora, who's an anesthesiologist in our institute, and Dr. Nilu Mehrotra, she's a cancer surgeon, and Dr. Nalini, she's a radiologist. These four guys have helped me out, and they calculated the dose, a very small amount, dilute किया, तो सीरीज में आएगा नहीं उतना, उसको dilute किया saline से and pushed to 4 animals. They got silently slapped, and there I did the magic of this tumor. It's very important. Who are listening me very carefully, listen now. You must understand the respect of animal behavior. Unless until you don't know the respect of animal behavior, you can't work out. You have to consider not as a model. You have to consider that they are in your family, in the family of ethics, in the family of academics, and in the family of research. And finally, you can see like we strangulate our models. 3 years DBT project, in vitro in vivo, only in vitro submitted, in vivo not, and this is a loss of money. What research scholar did so far. And there are pain around, you can see, toxicity raised. Why not the doctors? Why not the pharmacists to study prior for this toxicity? Why as the aspirin is failed? Why not they had been tagged with antacid initially, and dimer can be made and subjected, but it still is a failure drug, a drug of choice? Because we are failure, because we are not matriculated somewhere and we lost. For the newcomers, those who don't know the tumor procession, there's nothing, any mutation, any mutation. We talk about Ajinomoto, monosodium glutamate, that is Tanisol. We worked hard, a lot of publications and good number of people work we did. This small chemical agent, which is tastier, color enhancer, very good Chinese salt, but temperature, food temperature. But the thing is, what mutation cause that also causes a cancer. So many breast cancer, like soybean, digoxin and genistein component contained in soybean. It increases estrogen. That also mutagen you can use. Isolate that and put on the cell. The mutation take place, which inactivate the DNA material, what is where the tumor suppressor gene is there, and finally this cell proliferate unrecordably, multiplied, and the mutation where the DNA repair gene is present, it is inactivate that. It's not going to repair it. These proto-oncogene excited with the resultant of this DNA repair gene inactivation, and ultimately oncogenesis will be there, followed by mutation, ultimately so number of copies, and ultimately if you are not having like immunity about this cell, which captures and ultimately it mushroom out, localized, then ask for the supplies. Ultimately, it goes to the other side, to the other cells, and finally it metastasizes. Then, like so many outcomes there. This is a tumor innovation, and since 1995, leukemia tumor cell line has been worked first time, and later on, Regard had performed some tumor model of colon adenocarcinoma xenograft from the new to the nude mice from the human sample and got success. And then so many models, but mind it, there are ways of doing tumor inoculation, that is intradermally. Melanoma is one of the best example. Intramuscular sarcoma, you can go for it. Intraperitoneal, you can go for Dalton lymphoma. Intraperitoneal, that is one of the best examples. Intravenous, you can go for so many tumors. But this tumor, what I challenge is something different. Uh, these are the drugs of choice, and what Dr. K.K. Singh had made a target, that is irinotecan. This is the drug of choice for colon, and it's failure because I'd given so much of questions to Dr. Preeti. She is going to ask you because the transit time is different, intermittently different, and the pH level is also different. And it's very in the same place you can find it is towards acidic and it is towards neutral, left colon, mid colon. It's a drop off then. Failure of drug because it's degraded in acidic content. Renin toxin is there in stomach itself, is going to spoil it. Enterocorted, so many drug been developed, though it's going to spoil in duodenum, then in ileum, and ultimately it could not reach to the colon. That's why the drug failure is there. There is a low mucosal permeability is very important role, and ultimately some enzymatic degradation which is being done by the bacterial microflora is also delayed. CTDDS has been done, that is colon targeted drug delivery, Punjab University. So many big universities of India, you name it, the scientists they struggle hard to do this primary approach, but few failures. Two drugs they did. Failure again, pH time dependent, have successful but not much, and bacterial enzyme dependent colonic acid, in vitro assay they did, and we are successful. But my question is, when you go for the solid tumor, you should know the volume of, you must know the volume of the tumor, otherwise it's not going to survive. Mind it, for all youngsters, unless until you don't have tumor, you can't define your tumor regression time. And ultimately, the drug has to define. It is not MTT only. It is in vitro. It's not going to give the tumor shrink rate. It is not going to answer you the angiogenesis. But this solid tumors, in vivo tumors, going to answer you. Ex vivo, in vivo is going to give the exact your domain where the drug is delivered or not. If it is delivered, whether it's stringed or not, tumor regression is there or not. Nicely, Wernicke helper measurement you can take, length and breadth, and two smallest breadth you can take, and ultimately put on the formula, you can get a tumor regression or volume. That is very important. That's why I told that DBT also post, Dr. Kaminar, we want a tumor regression, volume and tumor quality in my one. They failed, and I also failed for 50 animals, but one night had made miracle, and that is what Dr. Preeti had acknowledged in the previous presentation, that you should be interactive, you should be inside the book, you should be inside. It is multitasking. Your brain should be multitasking, but should be a targeting one. It should not be like अभी यहाँ जा रहे हैं वहाँ जा रहे हैं आधा अधूरा छोड़ के फिर spoil your work. So drugs are available, but sorry, in vivo models, मेरा model के अलावा कोई model है नहीं. I'm thankful to my team. Like we are the first to develop colon tumor in the world, and proper targeting we have to find. We failed. हमने कॉलन में टारगेट किया, कैसे टारगेट किया, अब देखिए कैसे कैसे हम काम करते हैं. बीइंग इन such a big institute, and I was a failure. My baby is ready. We have to justify. Everyone has to respect this animal because they give publication, they give promotion, they give satisfaction, they give national awards. But we brutally kill them. We cervical dislocate, we give chloroform injection. So what can't we do? We torture them, but we must respect because I consider them as my baby. We have to justify. I hope my students are listening it very nicely because they know what we do in the lab. You have to follow CPCC regulations. Preeti, you can ask the full form of CPCSCM federation later on. And we followed GLPs very strictly. I replaced the model. Yes, I replaced a nonsense model which I learned from the big publication. I reduced the load. I refined the model. I refined cell counts. I refined so many things. I'll tell you how. And the GCP, is at the time. It is our duty to work on. Dr. Urjita Jain is a renowned gynecologist in Mumbai, Pune town, and ultimately she also failed to describe why we torture animals. In our first book, visited ICMR, and then she had been told to visit one animal house. It's a famous animal house which make a house serum in Mumbai. I don't name the institute. It's a big serum institute. And ultimately, she had put down in log the doctors and scientists because they torture animals, they torture horse, they torture guinea pigs. And she put on a note very clearly, may all be beautiful, let no soul be unhealthy. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनिएगा. ये मेरा ही एनिमल है, मेरा ही हाथ है, मेरा ही ट्रे है, मेरा ही फॉर्सेस है. कितना मुश्किल होता है ऐसा सेक्रीफाइस करना. आप लोग के साथ कोई कर दे तो मिसबिहेव हो जाएगा, पता नहीं क्या क्या, लेकिन ये स्मॉल क्रिएचर्स हमारे लिए सरेंडर हो जाते हैं. एवरी टाइम दे गेट सरेंडर. आपने 20 मांगा 20 हो जाता है, 200 मांगा 200 हो जाते हैं. दे नेवर बाइट यू नो, दे नेवर टॉक. उनका टीम मिल के आके धरना नहीं देता. So for them, for those sacrifice mice, she put on Urjita Jain, madam, I had talked to you. May all be beautiful, let no soul be unhealthy. Let true medicine help, no soul remain ugly. आप में से कोई प्रिंसिपल डायरेक्टर भी होगा तो प्लीज मुझे बी फॉर्म की एंट्री दे दे. 4 साल में बी फॉर्म पढ़ के एटलीस्ट हेल्प कैन जस्टिफाई व्हाई दिस सोल रिक्वायर्ड अ वेरी गुड pharmacological hand. We treat small animals, rodents especially, for good models. So because of this numerous nature of animals, yes, you can go for xenograph directly from human.
Dr. Ganesh, sorry to interrupt, but I think it's reverting.
Hello.
No, it's audible. Because I think it's due to the mask. It's
okay. Can you? I am audible.
yes now.
Okay, fine. Or can I continue with the same?
Continue with this.
Okay, fine. There are xenografts, syngeneics and orthotopic tumors and human explant. OT से लेंगे, xenograft होता है. किसी भी OT में जाइए, ethical transplantation. Syngeneics you have to immunocompromised animals, nude mice जो कॉलोनी होती हैं. बहुत सारे अभी कोविड के एक्सपेरिमेंट हो रहे होंगे जहाँ पर nude mice में ही हो रहे होंगे. तो syngeneic animals are required. It's a nude mice colony. And orthotopic is what I develop is आपको लोकेशन मालूम होना चाहिए, एनाटॉमिकल लोकेशन, और उसी लोकेशन में उसको प्लांट करना है. दैट्स ऑल. उसके यहाँ वहाँ नहीं कर सकते. आप सारे के ब्रेन ट्यूमर को आप लेग में डेवलप कर दो. यू कैन प्रिजर्व ब्रेन ऑन द थाई स्किन, बट यू कैन मेक अ ब्रेन इन द थाई. ठीक है. तो ऑर्थोटोपिक ट्यूमर मॉडल इज लाइक दैट. एंड फाइनली ऑर्थोटोपिक इज वेरी गुड मॉडल. हमेशा आप लोग को यूज करना चाहिए. इट इज करेक्ट मॉडल and exactly mimic the behavior of the origin of its protopotency. And this is a colon, very tedious organ and very difficult in human being also. When we do anatomical dissection during my PhD, it's very difficult. This colon क्योंकि वहाँ सिकम है, अपेंडिक्स है, उसी के ऊपर क्योंकि दैट इज ओनली पार्ट जहाँ इलियम अटैच है. अदरवाइज मैं ट्रांसफर और डिसेंडिंग में डालता तो वो एक्सफोलिएशन में चले जाता. This ascending calling is the place of choice, and this anatomy we know, everyone knows. This is section anatomy. And can you see the border of blue line? That is serosa lining. And my dear friend, that red color border is there. There is mucosal lining. That is villi crypt. Preeti, I'm audible. Preeti, I'm audible.
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah. लूप के जो व्हाइट लूप दिख रहा है उसके ऊपर वाला मैचुरेशन कंपार्टमेंट है, जहाँ गॉबलेट सेल्स डिफाइन होते हैं, लैमिना प्रोप्रिया डिफाइन होता है। उसके नीचे जो लूप है दैट इज क्रिप्ट ऑफ लिबरकून, एंड फिर मस्कुलरिस है, फिर सेरोजा। सेरोजा इज द लास्ट ब्लू बॉर्डर लाइन। हमने ट्यूमर एक बार डेवलप किया, उस केमिकल सेल लाइनिंग में ट्यूमर रिजेक्ट हो गया। क्यों? क्योंकि एक्सफोलेशन होता है, एपिथेलियल लाइनिंग है, और वो डिफिकेट होता है, डिस्पेंस आउट हो जाता है फीकल मटेरियल से, तो ट्यूमर भी वहां चला गया। तो हमें ट्यूमर टारगेट वहां करना ही नहीं, जो करता है वो इडियट है। हमें ट्यूमर टारगेट करना है इस पतले से ब्लू लाइन में। एक बैलून को इन्फ्लेमेट करेंगे, उसका 10th पार्ट ले लेंगे उस स्किन का, उतना पतला होता है इंटेस्टाइन का सेरोजा लाइनिंग, और उसमें हमें ट्यूमर डेवलप करना है। कैन यू सी द चैलेंज? निडल अवेलेबल नहीं है, और यू हैव टू डू बाय गेसिंग। यू मस्ट अप्रिशिएट व्हाट वी डिड। Approaches are there. You can approach, but I approach in vivo method, and these are the cell line I applied. And 50 ml में जो किया था मैंने, I used HT29 colon. There is a remarkable tumor HT29, सबको choose करना चाहिए. CRC is also good, but HT29 is universally available. But फेल ही रहा, ट्यूमर डेवलप ही नहीं हुआ। ट्यूमर डेवलप हुआ, लेकिन क्या हुआ आप देखिए। ये मेरा इटालियन पब्लिकेशन लिटरेचर, इजराइलियन साइंटिस्ट, इन सब के पब्लिकेशन पढ़ के रात को बिरयानी बना के खुशी में कि इस बार ट्यूमर डेवलप करके छोड़ेंगे। द लास्ट एंड डे वी वांट टू डिसेक्ट, और तब मालूम चलता है ये प्रोटोकॉल रॉन्ग था। इसलिए माय डियर फ्रेंड्स हु आर लिसनिंग मी, डोंट फॉलो द मेथड व्हाट पब्लिकेशन पीपल डस। उसका परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन से मेथड डेवलप करके आप देखिए वाकई में सही थी। मेरे साथ 3 बार धोखा हुआ। मेरे एक सीनियर साइंटिस्ट ने had put on a colchicine 0.052 समथिंग, और मैंने पूरे एनिमल कर लिए बोन मेरो क्रोमोसोम के कुड नॉट। एक दिन मैंने चालू किया, आई गॉट दैट 0.025% colchicine is good enough for chromosome. So don't follow blindly the method, please. Scientific,
The
it should be nicely.
same is happened with my friend also.
अच्छा अच्छा, बहुत मुश्किल है मैडम। ये मैंने देखी ना, ट्रांस एब्डोमिनल इंजेक्शन दिया। आई फील आई एम अ प्राउड एनाटोमिस्ट, बट आई फेल्ड बिकॉज कॉलन यही होता है जहाँ पर इंजेक्शन है। मैंने ब्लॉक किया, पीछे से स्किन को होल्ड करके रखा हूँ एक हाथ से, तो कॉलन रेस्ट्रिक्ट हो गया। आई इंजेक्टेड 4 लाख सेल्स, वाइबल सेल्स आई इंजेक्टेड, प्योर कैंसर सेल and colon cells, and this is what the result. It become ectopic to the lymph nodes. Can you see this first left side where the small dots, blue, white color dots? This is a lymph node, lymphatic tumors. And you can go to the right side. There's a pink body of a structure. You can, the lower arrow had shown a round structure. There's a border of fallopian tube. जो मैंने blue line दिया है transverse, उसके border में fallopian tube के border में जाके वो tumor को implant हुआ. This is what happening. मैंने अच्छे पेपर पब्लिश किए और 50 एनिमल को मार डाला। आई क्राई, यू नो, आई लिटरली क्राई कि भाई आई डू नॉट फील शेम ऑन माय सेल्फ कि व्हाई नॉट डिड फॉर 3-4 एनिमल्स, व्हाई हैड चूजन ऑन ऑल 50s। खुशी में 12 लाख दिखे, और उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं दिखा। डॉक्टर गणेश का नाम अच्छा हो जाएगा पूरे देश में, इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखा। बट एंड पार्ट में पेनफुल था बिकॉज इट्स रियली क्राइंग सम। मेहनत भी सब कुछ। वरीड, यस आई हैव टू वरीड, आई गॉट वरीड, क्राइड, आई नॉट हैड अ फूड दैट नाइट, एंड मॉर्निंग 6 बजे उठा और अपना काम चालू कर दिया, एंड आई गॉट अ सक्सेस। वो क्या काम था, 1 वीक के बाद आप देखिए, इन्वेसिव लगता है। ट्यूमर सिलेक्शन किया, मैंने बोला ना मेलनोमा ट्यूमर मेटास्टाइज होता है कॉलन में, दैट इज द ट्यूमर साइज कैलकुलेटेड। आई टुक द ट्यूमर मेलनोमा, एंड अल्टीमेटली मैंने मेलनोमा को डिसेक्ट आउट किया। मेलनोमा के सेल के सस्पेंशन, ये मेरे एक्सट्रीम राइट में डॉक्टर अलीबा है, मेरे को ज्वाइन किया है। शी इज वेरी गुड जेनेटिक काउंसलर, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर में इनोवेशन काम किया है। और बाकी स्कॉलर से मैं डिसेक्ट कर रहा हूँ एनिमल का ट्यूमर, ही ट्यूमर डिसेक्ट करके ट्यूमर सेल्स को कल्चर में डाला। यू कैन सी मोनोलेयर कल्चर इज epithelial cells, and finally microscope. Grish, I hope you are there. uh, Grish is there. He's a very good male fertility expert, got PhD under me. He's in Kashmir. और सेल काउंट किया, सेल काउंट करने के बाद सस्पेंशन बनाया, सिंगल सेल सस्पेंशन। इनोवेशन क्या किया, 2 लाख का सस्पेंशन ट्यूब आता है, हमने सिरिंज से किया, निडल से किया। आपको बड़े के 16 नंबर से चालू करना है और 26 नंबर तक चालू करना है। सिंगल सेल सस्पेंड हो जाएगा, टेक दिस सिंगल सेल्स एंड देन यू हैव टू काउंट। ट्राइफन ब्लू एक्सक्लूशन डाई होता है, यू कैन काउंट विद दैट एंड अल्टीमेटली जो रेड कलर के हैं उसको काउंट करना है, ब्लू वाला डेड सेल से, बिकॉज इट नेवर स्टेन द डेड mitochondrial live mitochondrial, so it always stain the dead mitochondrial। एमटीटी का रिवर्स है ये बिल्कुल, और वाइबल सेल्स को डाई नहीं करता है, इसलिए काउंट करके उतने सेल्स को डालना है। मैंने 5 लाख सेल्स 4 लाख सेल्स नहीं डाला, मैंने मात्र आई जस्ट इन्फ्यूज इंजेक्टेड ओनली 500 viable cells। These are the melanoma 100% viable cells। Can you see? You must appreciate Dr. Preeti. It's all melanoma cells. It's a big viable cells, and I'm audible, I feel।
Yeah, you are.
Okay। एंड एमटीटी करना है तो एमटीटी कर लीजिए। एमटीटी डाई होता है, ब्रोमियम सॉल्ट का डाई है, टेट्राजोनियम सॉल्ट। एंड शी इज पूनम शर्मा, डॉक्टर पूनम शर्मा, शी इज इन गुजरात, शी इज अ वेरी गुड ट्यूमर बायोलॉजिस्ट, शी इज सेटल्ड ऑन इन गुजरात, अहमदाबाद। एंड ये इंक्यूबेटर आता है, CO2 इंक्यूबेटर, हमने उसको इनोवेशन किया, आज इनोवेशन का टॉक है। ये मैंने 16,000 के इंक्यूबेटर में बिना किसी के कल्चर कर दिया, और ये पुराना वाला है 13 लाख का। यू कैन सी, यू कैन डू इनोवेशन। आप हल्ला मत करें कि मेरे पास फैसिलिटीज नहीं है। फैसिलिटीज नहीं है तो ये मैंने सिंपल इंक्यूबेटर में पूरा कल्चर करता हूँ। यू कैन अप्रिशिएट दिस ऑल्सो। एंड those who are taken a violet, it's a violet crystal, फार्माजोन बनता है एमटीडी डाई से। एमटीडी डाई टेट्राजोलियम ब्रोमाइड सॉल्ट है। एंड जो पेल कलर के हैं वो सेल डेथ हो गया है, जो वायलेट है वो वाइबल सेल्स हैं। ट्राइफन ब्लू डेड सेल्स को स्टेन करता है, टेट्राजोलियम सॉल्ट एमटीडी डाई वाइबल सेल्स को करता है, क्योंकि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में सक्सिनेट डिहाइड्रोजनेस होता है जो इसको टैग करता है। टैग करने के बाद वायलेट क्रिस्टल बनाता है, वायलेट क्रिस्टल बन के इट बिकम ए फार्माजोन, फार्माजोन बोलते हैं। और जो डेड सेल्स है उसको टैग नहीं करता, ये पूरे कैंसर सेल्स थे। मार्केटेड ड्रग और हमारा हर्बल फॉर्मुलेशन, यू कैन सी टुवर्ड्स राइट लोअर हर्बल फॉर्मुलेशन है, ऊपर मार्केट का है। यू कैन सी वाइबल सेल्स आर देयर are very less, and here the non-viable cells, so it is proven that it is an anti-tumor। एक एंटी ट्यूमर का काम पूनम शर्मा का था वाटर हायसिंथ के ऊपर, दैट इज द पिक्चर। इसके बाद आप सेल्स को लेके कर सकते हो। डॉक्टर आशा पुन्नप्पर मेरी न्यूक्लियर फिजिसिस्ट साइंटिस्ट, न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन के टेक्नीशियम को स्टेनस क्लोराइड से अटैक करके, ड्रग को अटैक करके तो टेल वेन से इंजेक्ट किया ट्यूमर को देखने के लिए। दिस इज व्हाट द स्टोरी स्टार्ट। बीइंग एनाटॉमिस्ट आई नो वेयर द ट्यूमर इज। मैंने फिर वो गधों का पेपर नहीं पढ़ा, गधों को फॉलो भी नहीं किया, है ना, शीप फॉलो नहीं किया मैंने, है ना। भेड़ को फॉलो करके मेरे 50 मर गए बच्चे। ये मैंने सिर्फ 4-6 एनिमल लिए। अब देखिए कितना क्लासिकल है। मुश्किल से 400 चर का मैंने कट लगाया, कॉलन मालूम है मुझे किस डायरेक्शन में, और उस डायरेक्शन में मैंने लूप किया, लूप करके उसको हुक ऑन किया। आप देखेंगे जो मेरे ऊपर हुक और फॉरसेप से है वो है आपका असेंडिंग कॉलन, बाकी आपका एक फॉरसेप टॉप में राइट में है वो आपका अपेंडिक्स है, और बाकी नीचे रेक्टम को होल्ड करके रखा है। मैंने 500 सेल्स लिए हैं वाइबल, केवल सेरोजा लाइनिंग। सेरोजा लाइनिंग मैंने बताया बहुत पतला होता है, उसमें इंजेक्ट किया है एंड इट्स वेरी टीडियस। सुचर बैक्रील एंड सिलिकॉन से लिया एंड अल्टीमेटली आई गॉट दिस बेबी। साइंटिस्ट है ना, खुजली होता है दिमाग में भी। हाँ, 5वें दिन में मैंने उसको मतलब वेट बढ़ रहा था, तो एनिमल प्रेग्नेंट तो नहीं है, वरना कुछ तो करो करके, ऐसा ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन तो नहीं आ गया, गैस्ट्राइटिस तो नहीं है, पेट फूल रहा है। तो मैंने 5वें दिन बेरियम सोलो, बहुत पूरा ऑब्सोलेट मॉडल है ट्यूमर इंटेस्टाइन को देखने के लिए, ह्यूमन में आज भी देते हैं इसोफेजियल कैंसर के लिए। उसको डाई को पिलाया, डाई पिलाने के बाद मैजिक देखिए प्रीति, यू मस्ट अप्रिशिएट दिस। मेरे राइट में एक्सरे है जिसमें व्हाइट है, जहाँ एरो किया है आप देखिए ध्यान से, व्हाइट पैच दिख रहा है,
Yes.
वो व्हाइट पैच बेरियम है मैडम। मतलब कॉलन एरिया में जाके, खासकर एसेंडिंग कॉलन में जाके वो ब्लॉक हो गया, मींस वहां पर कुछ ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है। इससे इतना मालूम चलता है रेडियोलॉजिस्ट को भी यहाँ ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है। खुजली और बढ़ गई मेरी। मेरे 2 साइंटिस्ट हैं अमेरिका में, दोनों बच्चे हैं, बहुत प्यारी बच्चे हैं। दे गॉट मैरिड एंड सेटल्ड, देयर साइंटिस्ट देयर। एंड मैंने 6 चारों बच्चों को लिटा दिया। और टोमोग्राफी में डॉक्टर नलिनी, आई टोल्ड ना, हेड्स ऑफ टू हर, शी हैड रियली हेल्प, पुन्नवाला के गणेश सर। इसमें आदमी लेटता है, बकरी लेट सकता है, कुत्ता लेट सकता है, लेकिन चूहों को मैं कैसे करूँ? मैंने मैडम क्या चाहिए? बोलते मुझे इतना तो सरफेस चाहिए। तो मैंने मैजिक क्या होगा? देखिए मैजिक, बड़ा स्क्रीन होता है, यूड एप्लीकेशन, जो जो ब्लैक स्पॉट्स दिख रहे हैं वो सब ब्लॉक्ड एरिया है जहाँ ट्यूमर डेवलप हो गया। आप देखिए साइज भी बड़े हैं किसी के। तो दिस प्रूव दैट यू हैव अ ट्यूमर इनसाइड द एनिमल। ये मैंने 6 डे में खुजली और बढ़ गई ब्रेन में, तो मतलब मजा आ गया, मिठाई खाने का दिन है। क्योंकि ये खुशी इसलिए नहीं कि ट्यूमर आ गया, खुशी इसलिए कि जो फेलियर था ना, मैंने जो सेक्रीफाइस किया था उसको कंपनसेट किया। एक साइंटिस्ट वेट कर रही है बॉम्बे में ड्रग को लेके डिलीवरी करने के लिए, उनका सपना साकार करने के लिए एक मॉडल डेवलप कर दिया। इसका खुशी, इसका खुशी नहीं कि मैंने ट्यूमर एनिमल में टॉर्चर करने के लिए भर दिया, इसे टॉर्चर नो डाउट। तो 6 ड्रग इनोटेकन के आप देखिए बिल्कुल कॉलन में जाके ट्यूमर, सॉलिड ट्यूमर है और कहीं अपटेक नहीं है। दिस व्हाट वंडरफुल पार्ट। हमने 12वें दिन एनिमल को सेक्रीफाइस नहीं किया, एक ही एनिमल को सेक्रीफाइस किया था, बाकी एनिमल को चलने दिया। 12वें दिन में देखेंगे पूरा अपटेक भरा पड़ा हुआ। कैन यू सी ब्लू स्पॉट्स? दिस इज अ मेटास्टेटिक कॉलन ट्यूमर, प्राइमरी ट्यूमर की है कॉलन, लेकिन वो 12वें दिन में ट्यूमर रिग्रेशन शो कर रहा है, तो मतलब हमारा मेटास्टेटिक को भी रोकता है, मतलब एंटी एंजियोजेनेसिस भी है। गॉट इट? तो दिस इज द ब्यूटिफिकेशन ऑफ दिस मॉडल। हमारा 5वें दिन में ट्यूमर आ गया, 12वें दिन में मेटास्टेटिक शो कर रहा है। एंड मेटास्टेटिक देखिए कितना प्यारा है। ये कॉलन ट्यूमर लेफ्ट में देखिए, बड़ा सॉलिटरी एक सिंगल ट्यूमर दिख रहा है आप लोग को,
जी।
है ना? यू मस्ट अप्रिशिएट, मेरी तारीफ करनी चाहिए मेरी टीम की भी, क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत से इन्हें
Really
बहुत
hats off to your team.
ये बच्चों ने मुझे बहुत रुलाया, मतलब लिटरली आई क्राइड अ लॉट। एंड यू कैन सी इट्स अ फुल स्प्रेड ऑफ ट्यूमर। दिस इज सेक्शन, यू कैन टेक अ सेक्शन, यू कैन विलाई क्रिब भी दिखेगा एंड ट्यूमर भी दिखेगा। हमने मेटास्टैटिक देखिए पूरा फैला हुआ मोमेंटम में, पूरे नोड्स पॉजिटिव है, ऑर्गन में पॉजिटिव है, मतलब एक ट्यूमर कॉलर में डेवलप करके 12वें दिन में हमारा इट इज डेवलप्ड। फिर हमारे पास प्रोस्टेट का भी था चैलेंज। प्रोस्टेट सो इजी, डिसेक्शन करने की जरूरत है। मैंने प्रोस्टेट रीजन में माइक्रो सिरिंज अपना इंसुलिन सिरिंज 40 यूनिट का लेके सेल को ट्रैप किया, 1000 सेल्स को, और लकली आ गया। या मेरा हाथ इतना वो है कि लक, भगवान मेरे को, बेवकूफ तो हूँ मैं, इडियट हूँ, लेकिन शायद लक साथ दे देता है, तो इसलिए ट्यूमर आ गया। तो दिस वाज द प्रोस्टेट ट्यूमर। एनके जैन साहब के बच्चे सुन रहे हैं तो हेड्स अप टू हिम एंड देयर स्टूडेंट्स। बड़ा अच्छा टास्क लाया था सर, लंग टारगेटिंग करना है। बड़ा मजेदार किस्सा हुआ है, 3 महीने वेस्ट हो गए। अलग अलग रोटा इनहेलर लाए बना बना के बच्चों का, पीडियाट्रिक्स, मतलब ये रैबिट में है। बहुत मुश्किल हुआ। अब बच्चों को 2 लात मार के, चाटा मार के बोलेंगे सूंघ ले, है ना, इनहेल कर लेगा रोटा इनहेलर, लेकिन जानवर को क्या बोलोगे, उसका नोस्ट्रिल इतना छोटा। एंड फाइनली यू वोंट बिलीव, प्रीति मैडम कुछ टाइप कर रही हैं क्या?
Yeah, yeah.
मैंने सुबह आप लोग का टाइम वेस्ट किया, फरमान तो नहीं निकाल रही मेरे लिए?
No.
ये ओरल पाथ से देना था, नेजल पाथ है एक्चुअली, ओरल लिखा है। इसमें बहुत अच्छा मैजिक है, ये भी बड़ा टास्किंग है। मैंने श्रीदेवी की पिक्चर देखो बच्चों, पिक्चर देखो सब देखो, लेकिन उसमें से जो जिस्ट है ना वो निकाल के ले लेना चाहिए लाइफ में। साउथ का मूवी था, भाई को किडनैप किया, अब पानी के अंदर वो कर रहा था, वो सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम था, कोई ऊपर लाता, तो उसकी बहन श्रीदेवी एक्शन करके बता रही थी कि तुम सांस लो नाक से, मुंह बंद करके रखा था। तो वो ऊपर जब आता है नाक से सांस लेता, मुंह नाक बंद कर देता, फिर नीचे आता। मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, सेलो टेप लिया, उसका मुंह बंद कर दिया अच्छे से। दो, एक डिबिया में 2 वेनफ्लॉन के ट्यूब्स लगा दिए। ट्यूब लगाने के बाद हल्का सा मैंने नॉस्ट्रल में डाला और रोटाइनर वो उनके ड्रग को क्रश करके डाल दिया और होल्ड करके रखा। 15 मिनट तक होल्ड करने के बाद उसके रिजल्ट ये है कि 8वें घंटे में आपको नॉस्ट्रल में दिख रहा है, स्टार्टिंग में यूरिन में दिख रहा है 2 घंटे में, इसलिए यूरिन ब्लैडर में दिख रहा है, बाकी यू कैन सी द मैजिक। इनोवेशन ये होता है, अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन, आप लोग ड्रग बना के रखे रहोगे एंड टारगेट नहीं होगा तो कोई मतलब नहीं ना, छोटा मोटा पेपर बना दीजिए। ब्रेस्ट कैंसर का है, बशरत अली मल्ला बाहर है, डॉक्टर पासवान, आई एम थैंकफुल टू DSA टीम इंदौर, डॉक्टर पासवान का भी प्रोजेक्ट है ये। तो ब्रेस्ट मॉडल बनाया दोनों अलग अलग टाइप के, और यू कैन सी डक्टल कार्सिनोमा और DCI का सेक्शन में, यू कैन सी ब्लड वेसल्स, ब्लड वेसल्स को ड्रग के बाद ब्लड वेसल्स कम हो रहे हैं, तो यू कैन फाइंड एंटी एंजियोजेनेसिस ड्रग थेरेपी। और ये ब्रेस्ट कैंसर का, यू कैन सी द आइसोटोप्स अपटेक ब्रेस्ट में ही है। एंड दिस इज कॉलन ट्यूमर, यू कैन सी मेरा एक ड्रग चॉइस है। ट्यूमर वॉल्यूम आप ऊपर वाले उसमें देखेंगे। सलाउद्दीन, सलाम वालेकुम, मैं तुमसे बात करूंगा थोड़ी देर के बाद, लेट आई कंप्लीट। द ट्यूमर वॉल्यूम इज वेरी बिग, 1/4 से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए बॉडी वेट के। जैसे ही होता है आपका कैसा भी एक्सपेरिमेंट चल रहा है, एनिमल को सेक्रीफाइस करो, ट्यूमर को प्रिजर्व कर लो, अदरवाइज इट्स इलीगल प्रैक्टिस। 1/4 से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए। ये पोस्ट ट्रीटमेंट है, आप देखेंगे दोनों, है ना, ट्यूमर एलोन है नीचे, और ये पोस्ट ट्रीटेड पोस्ट ट्रीटेड पोस्ट। आपको बताओ पोस्ट ट्रीटेड है क्या? ये हमारा कीमोथेरेपी, ये ड्रग एलोन है नीचे वाला, और ऊपर वाला कीमोथेरेपी, और हमारा जो पूनम शर्मा का ड्रग था जलकुंभी का, स्किन मेलनोमा में हमने जो टारगेट थेरेपी बनाई है। यू कैन सी अ श्रिंक ऑफ, कैन यू सी द स्किन का श्रिंक दिख रहा है, ट्यूमर श्रिंक हुआ है वो। तो ट्यूमर वॉल्यूम का इंपॉर्टेंस होता है इन वाइवो में। ट्यूमर वॉल्यूम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट एंड वी मस्ट टेक इट। मुक्ति मुक्ति शर्मा इज देयर इन दयालबाग यूनिवर्सिटी, वो भी शायद होगी इस ग्रुप में। She did a wonderful job for call this tumor and got successful. डरावना लगता है, नो डाउट इज वेरी फेरोशियस फील। ट्यूमर कैसा होगा, खुद को तो नहीं हो जाएगा, मुझे तो नहीं हो, 23 साल में होगा तो आई एक्सेप्ट, और मैं ही परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन प्रीति ड्रग बना के देगी, मैं अपने ऊपर डोज लेते जाऊंगा, so that I can do it for. ये पिक्टोरियल है फॉर योर क्वेश्चन। प्रीति, आप पूछेगा कि इसका मीनिंग क्या है। ये प्राइस मैं दूंगा, जो भी आंसर दे देगा इसका प्राइस मैं दूंगा। आपको पिक्चर दिखा देता है, इट इज अनडिजायर अनकंट्रोल नॉन टारगेटेड। एक मोटा आदमी कूद रहा है, पीछे 2 बच्चे गीले हैं, एक पतला है मोटा है, सुंदरियां भी बैठी हुई हैं। लेकिन इसका, इस पिक्चर का स्टोरी क्या है, जिस्ट क्या है, मैं क्या बताना चाहता हूँ इस पिक्चर से, ये इसका आंसर चाहिए मुझे। जो आंसर अच्छा टाइप करके मुझे व्हाट्सअप कर देगा, उसको मैं पर्सनली एक सर्टिफिकेट दूंगा और एक मोमेंटो दूंगा, ये मेरे तरफ से। मेरा नंबर है 63211616। आगे चलिए, प्रॉपर टारगेटिंग हो गया, लेकिन अभी भी गड़बड़ है। अपन गड़बड़ क्या है, क्या करें, इतना सारा काम करने के बाद बर्बाद हो जाएगा। सीनियर को दे देते तो सीनियर फर्स्ट ऑथरशिप में नाम छाप देगा, जूनियर चले जाएंगे बच्चे, तो बच्चे टीचर का नाम हटा देते हैं, अपना नाम डाल देते हैं हम, या दूसरे टीचर को खुश करने के लिए अपना नाम डालते हैं। इसलिए राइटिंग मैनस्क्रिप्ट इज अ बिग टास्क, इज अ बिग जॉब। बहुत अच्छे से लिखिए। एक तरीका बता देता हूँ प्रीति, इफ यू अलाउ कैन आई टेल 2 मिनट्स मोर। हेलो प्रीति,
Yeah, I'm
हेलो।
getting your voice.
हाँ, मैं 2 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ इसके बारे में।
You can.
दिस राइटिंग साइंटिफिक मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिफिकल्ट टास्क। लोग परेशान होते हैं, किसी टाइपर को बुला के लगता है, बोलता है मेरे को कोऑथर में नाम डाल दो तब लिखूंगा। डोंट डू दिस। आप अच्छे पेपर पढ़िए, अच्छे लिटरेचर सर्वे कीजिए, 5-10 होने चाहिए कंपेरेटिव, उसका जिस्ट निकाल के रख लीजिए, लिख के एक दिन एक संडे बैठ के कर लीजिए, फिर अपना पेपर बनाइए। पेपर बनाना 4 लाइन लिखो, आराम से घूम के आओ, मस्ती करो, फिर आओ वो 4 लाइन को पढ़ो। जब पूरा पेपर बन जाए तो उसको 10 बार पढ़ो, आपको खुद अपनी गलतियां दिखती जाएंगी, करेक्शन होता जाएगा, देन यू हैंड ओवर टू योर टीचर टू करेक्शन। नहीं तो टीचर पंचुएशन, प्रीपोजिशन, ये एडजेक्टिव सब करेक्ट करता है। इट इज वेरी शेमफुल लाइक फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट साइड। और प्लीज डू दिस एक्सरसाइज, आप 5-6 बार पढ़ते जाओ हर रोज, और वो पेपर का करेक्शन खुद होते जाएगा, एंड अल्टीमेटली यू हैव अ बिग पेपर। टेक अ रेस्ट, आई टोल्ड, 1-2 लाइन लिखो, एक पेज लिखो, उसके बाद रेस्ट करके आराम से लिखो, एंड फाइनली यू फाइंड। No doubt, innovation in tumor research will be an endless job and is very very difficult. मैं आपको एक हिंट दे दूं, ट्यूमर कहीं का भी डेवलप कर सकते हैं, बशर्ते आपके पास जीनोक्राफ्ट होना चाहिए, बशर्ते आपको सेल लाइन मालूम होना चाहिए क्या है, और बशर्ते आपका पास मीडियम होना चाहिए। हमारे पास ट्यूमर आ गया है, मीडिया थॉ नहीं हुआ है, फ्रिज में रखा हुआ है, तो क्या करें, माथा मत पड़ो, वो ट्यूमर सेल्स को फेंको मत। फिजियोलॉजिकल सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं, नॉर्मल सलाइन है, पीबीएस है 7.2 7.4 पीएच का, यू कैन ऐड योर सेल इन दैट, कीप इट असाइड लैमिनार में। जब तक आपका था होगा मीडिया, वो सेल मरेगा नहीं, अल्टीमेटली यू कैन हैव सक्सेसफुल स्टोरी ऑफ द सेल। क्लीननेस बहुत जरूरी है। ट्यूमर लैब में घुसने के पहले आपके बाल बहुत अच्छे से टाई अप होने चाहिए। आपके फेस में दाढ़ी है, मूछें हैं, तो उसको कवर करना चाहिए, डबल मास्क पहनना चाहिए, लड़कियों का चोटी बांध करके, जूड़ा बांध करके, हेड कैप के अंदर। दुपट्टा बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए, लैब कोट पहने, दुपट्टे के लैब कोट के अंदर दुपट्टा रखे, नहीं तो नहीं पहने। क्योंकि ये सब कंटेमिनेशन के चांसेस को बढ़ा देता है। सिंगल मैन एंट्री या 2 मैन एंट्री होना चाहिए ट्यूमर लैब में, अदरवाइज वन शुड नॉट गो फॉर इट। आपको ट्यूमर लैब को स्टरलाइज करना है, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी लैब को स्टरलाइज करना है, तो एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका बता दूं, कोविड ने हमें सिखाई दिया। कपूर होता है जो पूजा करने वाला, प्लीज उसको क्रश करके आप हर कमरे में डाल दीजिए शाम को जाने के पहले, और टाइट पैक कर दीजिए। दूसरे दिन आपको फ्यूमिगेट मिलेगा, स्टरलाइज मिलेगा सब कुछ। आप ऐसे मिथनॉल वॉश कर लीजिए, इंस्ट्रूमेंट को ड्राई कर लीजिए, हीट ड्राई, और फिर एक बॉक्स में कपूर डाल करके रख दीजिए, आपको स्टरलाइज मिलेगा। डोंट इन्वेस्ट टाइम इन ऑटोक्लेविंग, डोंट इन्वेस्ट हेल ऑफ मशीन्स, और फिर रिजल्ट इज जीरो। ठीक है। इट इज it's the time to say thanks to this child, and really they are my child. They had given a number of paper to my scholars and me myself, my promotion too. And I request everyone, those who want to join me in my lab, the short-term training for every technique is there. 7 days training program from 1,500 to 5,000 score of training is there. We have independent electrophoresis training, flow cytometer, tumor inhibition, microbiology. Excellent job we are doing. And प्लीज मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग फ्रैंकली आओ, माई लैब इज ओपन फॉर एवरीवन। किसी ने बोला भी होगा कि डॉक्टर गणेश स्ट्रिक्ट हूँ मैं बहुत, तो डिसिप्लिन हैज टू बी फॉलोड एवरी टाइम। टीचर्स को सुनो, आप लोग टीचर को इडियट मत समझो, टीचर्स हैव द क्वालिटी। और जो टीचर्स बच्चों को क्रेडेंशियल नहीं देता है, तो आई फीलिंग वेरी सॉरी। बच्चों का थीसिस, बच्चों के पब्लिकेशन में बच्चों का पेपर पहला आना चाहिए, उनका राइट है। आपको टीचर्स को बता दो, उनको अधिकार है करस्पॉन्डिंग ऑथर बनने का। आपके एक्सटर्नल जो रीड करते हैं, एक्सपर्ट्स रीड करते हैं, उनको मालूम चल जाता है, इसका मीनिंग है कि आप ही इसके मेंटर हो। करस्पॉन्डिंग ऑथर में आपका नाम टीचर्स का हमेशा आना चाहिए, बच्चे आप लोग का नहीं, क्योंकि आंसरेबल उस प्रोटोकॉल के लिए आपके टीचर होते हैं, ना कि आप। ठीक है। इसलिए करस्पॉन्डिंग ऑथर में होना चाहिए। कुछ बहुत बायस अनबायस इश्यूज आते हैं पब्लिकेशन में, वो नहीं होना चाहिए। किसी का पेपर को चीट मत कीजिए, प्रोटोकॉल डिजाइन करो अच्छे से दिमाग से बैठ के, एंड देन यू कैन पब्लिश पेपर, है ना। आई एम थैंकफुल टू एवरीवन, एंड यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज?
One
सालू
thing I
जी।
really admired your views. You always prone towards your researchers and your students. So that will be leads. That will be make difference with others. And really, innovation in tumor research will never have its end. And with
Yeah,
this word,
definitely.
we can moving towards our questionnaire session. So if anyone is having any,
Can I see you all? Can I look?
yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Ashok, I can see Rohini, Teju. Devanshi.
I have one question.
Yeah.
Why tumor in vivo is difficult to grow in animals?
Because the tumor rejection is one of the major factors, and to tumor size, the type also. आपने take an example of brain tumor लिया, है ना, और lymph node का tumor लिया, and the origin is different, and you want to site the tumor on different location. इसलिए anatomical position is very important for tumor. जिस पोजीशन में डालना है ट्यूमर को, उसी पोजीशन में डालना पड़ेगा। कुछ ट्यूमर ऐसे होते हैं, वो बहुत नोटोरियस होते हैं, लाइक दे आर वेरी फंक्शनल एंड दे कैन ग्रो एनीवेयर, लाइक वेर एवर यू वांट। So, like, it's so easy for things. Anyone want to learn, please come and join me for at least 3 months, 6 months. I can give a publication, 3, 4 publication. Abroad jana hai to uske liye I can favor and work out. I don't know my name. Even I don't know my name on your system. But come and join. Try to understand the module, collaborative works.
Yeah, exactly. Definitely, I will do that. And
Yeah.
another, I just wanted to know what will be the size of tumor when the experiment has to be done. Shall I repeat my question?
It's for me.
It's what will be the size of the tumor
Yeah.
when the experiment has to be terminated?
Yeah. You are asking this question to me or to the audience?
To you.
So fine. The tumor size should not be more than 1/4 of the body weight. मैंने आपको बताया भी था बीच में कि ट्यूमर वॉल्यूम 1/4 बॉडी वेट से ज्यादा नहीं हो। जैसे ही होता है वैसे टर्मिनेट कर देना चाहिए। रिकॉर्ड है उसको करके आप उसको रिकॉर्ड कर दें कि 20 दिन में ट्यूमर आपका एग्रेसिव हो गया। डोंट कीप इट इज गोइंग टू टॉर्चर द अदर ऑर्गन ऑल्सो। तो एनिमल को टॉर्चर ना हो, टीपीसी डिफाइन दैट 1/4 बॉडी वेट से ज्यादा नहीं होना।
Okay.
नेक्स्ट, कुछ और क्वेश्चन?
Just taking from the audience. I repeat, sir, is it easy to do the research work on brain tumor in vets? Is it safe for us?
Yeah, it's safe for thing. I had it डॉक्टर एनके जैन का वीरेंद्र गजपई होगा ग्रुप में होगा मैंने ऐड किया उसके बाद वीरेंद्र का काम पूरा मैंने करा है पोन्टाई में पोन्स छोटा सा राई से भी छोटा होता है उसमें ट्यूमर डेवलप करा है एंड वही पेपर लेके ही गॉट ही वेंट टू अब्रॉड सो इजी मैं सबको बोलता हूँ नेत्रा कैन यू सी मी आई टेल एवरीवन की लाइक जहाँ यमराज का काम खत्म होता है वहाँ डॉक्टर गणेश चालू करता है
Sir, I have one question.
हाँ
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful work. And it was like very inspiring for me.
थैंक यू
As a scholar, it was very inspiring. And I have understood that you made your lab as your family.
या
And the work, innovative work, what you have done, and how you have processed the work. It was like, I learned a lot from it.
थैंक यू
You talked about the nasal route.
या
So you said that like when we have went through the nasal route, like you have seen 100, even like when we go for a nasal route, the mucosa like will be affecting the mucus like what descent.
Yes.
How did you confirm that, sir?
Yeah, the thing is, have you seen the nasal tract is very dry? है ना? There is no uptake. When you tightly close your mouth, so the airflow will be there. The drug is left, already emptied. Now the air will go.
Okay.
That air will take all the drug, clear mucosal lining. Takes 15 minutes. I told that's why.
Mm-hmm.
Drug will the capsule when it's broken, hardly 5 minutes. All the dust has been gone inside. But it takes air to blow. In that also you have to nasal breath. When you go the nasal breath, automatically the air will go and it will wash the cell, wash the sample, goes inside the trachea directly. And you can
What
see
about drug metabolism, sir?
uh, that we have not studied so far the metabolic activity of the drug because they had given for because they had came for 5 6 days.
Okay.
And we required the whole tissue. Then we have to study biochemistry of it. And we can go. I can notice this Netra very sincerely. Melanoma, I know what they do, and the drug generally in the third and seventh position of your methylation group of DNA. They methyl excite and enhance the methylation quality. This is how the tumor cell DNA methylated is being blocked by the drug and the tumor cell being degraded.
Yes,
That is
true.
the mechanism on is there. Right. But for this and few models, brain also are not did metabolic study. But pollen and this melanoma we did.
Because as far like first time like I'm like listening for a colon targeted like you have chosen a nasal route.
Yeah.
Because usually nasal route we go for a brain targeted. So for brain
No,
go for nasal route.
Netra, I want to correct.
Yes, sir.
Nasal targeted is not a for colon. Colon
Okay.
we have given a tail target. Tail
Yes.
say we had injected, right? Intravenous.
Mm-hmm.
But nasal was the lung carcinoma. The
Okay.
drug is reaching to the lungs or not? That was the model.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
And I'm very happy to visit to your lab once.
Please come anytime.
Thank you,
Dr.
sir.
Ganesh, can we modify the carbon nanotube be used for targeted delivery in lung tumors?
We can go for it. What Gajpai did is a carbon nanotube itself for brain. So he did deliver that. I remember it's a carbon nanotube, and we
As
can
of their
plan out
as of their similarity to asbestos, do modified prevent?
drug lab to develop the molecules. Fine.
Yeah.
So we have very less chance to analyze these structures basically. Whatever the drug they give, I study that and deliver.
Okay,
Fine.
that will be.
So we can plan a project so we can stay for 6 months and we can do. अभी मैंने कुरकुमिन ऑयल से नैनो पार्टिकल डेवलप किया है मतलब मिल्क से मिल्क में सस्पेंड करके दैट आई डिड एंड नाइसली इट इज अ ब्यूटीफुल सस्पेंशन यू कैन सी मिल्क में कुरकुमिन ऑयल मिक्स नहीं होता है एरोमेटिक ऑयल and it is homogeneous mixture. Wonderful. I made a slide and seen the size also. It's wonderful. So I do. मैं तो फार्मेसी का डिग्री दे दो ना मुझे कोई 4 साल पढ़ा लो
You always used to say this word.
मजाक नहीं. I don't have degree in pharmacy. I feel shame myself.
No, sir.
Yeah.
In the pharmacy, like we just modify the delivery system. Like
Yeah.
have a molecule, and I know that molecule is going to show an effective on this colon cancer or lung cancer, whatever it is. But like targeting to that particular area, we focus on this nano drug delivery system.
Yeah, definitely.
On the disease condition, we modify and then we prepare an article.
Same thing,
It's
Dr.
like
KP.
my
Yeah.
yeah, the Ravi Kiran is my colleague who is working on carbon nanotubes
Yeah.
targeting for a cancer disease. So he is actually working on that. So
Give my number to him. We can do. He can be my guru, and I can learn something more from him.
no, no, sir, you're always a guru. We learn from you too.
Yeah.
Sure, sir, definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Anyone want to ask?
What is the
Any question?
importance? Is it audible?
Yeah.
What is the importance of cell exclusion? As
Yeah.
per
Yeah.
which
Yeah. Yeah.
dye is being to be used?
Yeah. The thing is, like for cell exclusion test, initial step of tumor biology, anything or any toxicity study, cell toxicity study, you want to do it, mind it, it is the initial step. Cell exclusion assay. It was done by Triffin Blue. It's so easy, cost effective, very sasta test. Take a cell suspension, say 20 microliter, and add 10 microliter your Triffin Blue dye. Mix it well and load on the Newburgh chamber, WC counter chamber. And you had seen all blue colors in my
Okay.
slide. The blue colors had shown the dead cells. The ट्रेफिन blue mitochondrial जहाँ डेथ रहता है वहीं जाके इंट्रैक्टल्स का एक्सक्लूड कर देता है जो डेड है. गॉट इट. तो इसलिए एक्सक्लूजन ऐसे बोलते हैं. तो ट्रेफिन ब्लू इज द डाई एंड इट्स एक्सक्लूड ऑल द डेड सेल्स. काउंटिंग में निकल जाता है.
And I just wanted to know which species of rat is suitable for the cancer studies.
Which one?
Which species of rat?
Uh, uh, what we have a small animal, we don't do go for rat, but we have some C57 strain of ferocious mice. We have Swiss albino C1 strain. Then we have agouti what we developed. ये चार तीनों species मेरे लिए particular colon develop करना है तो C57 and agoutis are one of the best. Is best. For any other solid tumor colon like sarcoma or carcinoma of other organs, you can have a white Swiss albino. There is Norvegicus in rat as the best model for developing tumors like Norvegicus. We had developed so many tumors, and we found that it's very good, easy to handle it. And moreover, nude mice colonies is required where you have immunity related, like any immunocompromised system you want to do it, then you can go for nude mice species, especially blood cancer or even brain tumors. So you can go for nude mice.
Sir, I just wanted to know you had your patent. You mentioned over there on radiation protector.
Yeah.
That is extracted from the Alpina.
Alpina xarambate.
Yeah. So can you just
जंगली
please?
अदरक.
Okay. Can you please just share what
Yeah.
exactly that would be?
डॉक्टर हम उसका निकनेम बोलते हैं ऋत्विज भारद्वाज. शी इज इन दुबई and she had completed this work and we had extracted the leaf, not the rhizome. Leaf से हमने, it is like a wonderful oil comes out gerambin, and we have radiotherapy patient primary tumors where Dr. Vidhi Gupta and Dr. Uh, Rakesh Mahavar, they are the radiotherapists they give, and we took the sample. Those who got radiation, immediately we take the sample. We had given the dosage, it is a well defined dose what we had given, and we culture it. You culture and find next day morning you harvest is it, centrifuge it, you'll get a pellet, wash it with normal saline, then pellet को desuspend करके carnose fixative 3:1 के रेशियो में मिथनॉल और एसिटिक एसिड 3:1 के रेशियो में मिथनॉल एसिटिक एसिड को मिक्स करके चिल्ड करके रख लो प्री प्रिपेयर्ड, एंड उसमें से रिसस्पेंड में साइक्लोमिक्सर में रिसस्पेंड करते जाओ, एक एक ड्रॉप फिक्सेटिव डालो, देन यू कैन फाइंड फिक्स द सेल. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग में आके उसको वॉश करो फिक्सेटिव से एंड मेक अ पैलेट, रिसस्पेंड ऑन द स्लाइड, मेक ए स्मीयर. आपको सेल्स मिलेंगे. सेल्स में आपको फाइंड कि एक बड़ा सा न्यूक्लियस मिलेगा, छोटा छोटा भी निकले यदि म्यूटेशन हुआ है रेडिएशन से तो छोटे जिसमें हमने डोज देते हैं. आपको यदि रेडिएशन प्रोटेक्शन का कोई भी काम करना, नॉट दिस पेटेंट वर्क, यू हैव टू स्कोर कि कितने माइक्रोन्यूक्लियस रिड्यूस हुए नॉर्मल सेल टॉक्सिटी में. एक बैच था जिसमें हमने ट्रीटमेंट नहीं दिया, एक रेडिएशन दिया, केवल एक बैच में केवल ड्रग दिया. ड्रग टॉक्सिसिटी स्टडी, एक बैच में रेडिएशन के बाद ड्रग दिए। तो रेडिएशन से होने वाले साइड इफेक्ट को कैसे रोक सकते हैं? माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट से इनडायरेक्ट एविडेंस ऑफ डीएनए ब्रेक। यू डोंट हैव डीएनए लैब, डोंट बॉदर, डोंट बॉदर, गो फॉर हार्डली 10 रुपए का खर्चे में ये पूरा टेस्ट हो जाता है। प्लीज कम एंड लर्न दिस टेक्निक, इट्स अ वन डे टेक्निक, वंडरफुल टेक्निक।
Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will go to take a lecture on comat assay.
ओके okay.
So can you just brief about that? Like that is for the DNA damage.
हाँ, एक्चुअली इट्स सो इजी, जेल कास्ट से करना पड़ता है।
Even in between, I called few months before. I called for the cell line for
अच्छा,
that study.
हाँ, you called me, हाँ हाँ, actually whatever your cell is there, you have to grow nicely.
That is for the breast cancer. That is for the breast cancer.
Any cell you talk about, comment.
Okay.
Resuspend the cells, then you have to cast this gel में load करके you have to keep it in the incubator, अपना इसमें इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस को फ्रिज में रख के टैंक को और उसका पावर पार्क को बाहर रख देना है, चिल्ड में रन होता है वो। फिर वो एक टेल बनाएगा, एक कॉमेट बनाएगा, तो टेल लेंथ को देख के कितना डैमेज है।
How long will be the tail? How that shows the damage of DNA.
Damage of the, yeah.
So meanwhile, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will show that protocol.
Comparative genomic hybridization से भी can loss and gain, green light gain को होता है, red light जो होता है, red bar red loss को दिखाता है। CGS से एक वो है genetic study, comparative genomic hybridization, that you can go for it, और बार बनता है, जितने भी रेड है वो डैमेज वाले हैं डीएनए, जितने भी रेड ग्रीन है वो गेन है, so that also you can go for it, but very costly test both comet and this both.
So is it possible to develop?
I have TDS, but it's good. Hello. हाँ जी, yeah.
So can we in our laboratory can we make that slides for the comet assay?
हाँ, हमने इसी लैब में बनाया, मेरे अपने डिपार्टमेंट में किया कमेंट।
Okay.
हाँ,
the gel base you used.
हाँ, gel based use, yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. And
Thank
one question has asked, I received in a chat box. It's which anti-cancer drug can be used in treatment of COVID-19?
My dear friend, you can go for any targeted lung cancer वाला drug, है ना, बहुत सारे हैं मॉड्यूल, है ना, and you can try for that, because good question, cancer patient have vulnerable for COVID-19. WHO had target the first group of diseases, cancer, then cardiac, then diabetic, then lung infection, tuberculosis, and lung infection.
Earlier, I delivered my lecture on the COVID-19 and hydroxychloroquine, and after that, I gave my lecture on the hantavirus.
अच्छा, प्रीति,
hello,
या बोलिए
when hantavirus recently came from in China again, so they are using remdesivir drug for that, and now that remdesivir drug is effective in this COVID-19 virus, coronavirus. So have you enlightened with some?
No, I not read this paper, and I can't answer it, but I feel like both the drug are related to lung infection, both the disease, that's why they might have tried this drug for COVID-19.
Okay.
लेकिन मैंने एक टॉक हर जगह दे रहा हूँ कोविड के लिए, आई मेड अ डाइटरी इम्यूनिटी एनहांसिंग टॉक, तो एनी डे यू कैन प्लान वन टॉक फॉर डाइट एंड कोविड, तो बहुत अच्छा है सबके लिए, आंटी अंकल सबको बिठाना, और मजेदार टॉक है वो।
Definitely will plan. Sir, your thoughts for future clinical studies with these preclinical study model?
Like first thing for preclinical and clinical, you must know your lab status. कहीं पर भी ऐसा काम, बेसलाइन काम को भी कोलैबोरेटिव में नहीं करें, आपका बेसलाइन तो खुद करें, खुद के लैब में सक्षम हो जाए। छोटा सा वर्क होता है, आपकी सेफ्टी देख लें, फिर यू कैन डिजाइन योर प्री क्लिनिकल पैरामीटर्स, एंड like recently we got last year December CDSCO का हमें अप्रूवल मिल गया है, क्लिनिकल ट्रायल मेरा एक ट्रायल लंग कैंसर मल्टीपल मेलोमा के पूरा आगे है, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इन द मंथ ऑफ जून। दिल्ली से वी आर द ओनली कैंसर इंस्टीट्यूट गॉट अप्रूवल फॉर क्लिनिकल ट्रायल इन MP, so we are looking for the pharmacist also for this clinical trial. as a coordinator and CRO. Let's see, like, but thing is like for any trial, you should know your feasibility. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि खिचड़ी बन जाए, 10-15 साइंटिस्ट कूद जाए और फिर एडिमेंट ईगो सबका क्लैश करे, अल्टीमेटली वो ट्रायल बंद हो जाए. तो अपना बेसलाइन स्टडी के लिए लायक लैब होना चाहिए, उसके बाद काम चालू करो. लेकिन आप लोग प्री क्लिनिकल जिसको भी करना है, मेरा लैब इज ओपन टू एवरीवन.
Really, thank you, sir. With this word,
Yeah, thank you.
we can moving towards our concluding ceremony.
थैंक यू. टेक केयर. अब मैं बंद कर दूं?
Just wait.
मेरे बच्चे दिख ही नहीं रहे इसमें.
Sir, everyone videos are off, sir.
अरे वेरी बैड. ऑन करो. दीपक, कुश, विश्वास, आई नो यू. नीरज, पूनी, या आई नो. ये ऑन करो ना, बच्चों से बात करेंगे.
Just I'm doing. Moving towards the concluding ceremony, I would like to thanks Dr. N. Ganesh, the senior scientist, Jawaharlal Nehru Cancer Hospital, Bhopal, for giving his precious time, and he is having very busy schedule. In spite of that, he is always ready to give his deliberation. So it's knowledgeable session, and from Frizzle Foundation, and just virtually by the we are connected in a virtual way. I'm just presenting a token of appreciation and the remembrance. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Preeti. One more thing. I'm thankful to Preeti. Yesterday, my mind was very upset. My mom and my sister were crying in my home. I lost my dad recently, and we all are upset. But this talk, interaction with scientists like you all, make my mind very, very healthy. And I feel like I can go with this positive attitude to my home and make my mom and Didi happy. Thankful to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Nita, you want to say something?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And we are very sorry for the news. And I definitely I'm sure you'll make.
Yes. My number is so easy. Sunil, thank you.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
I am fine, sir.
Sunil.
I will.
Yeah.